Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, as you saw in the thumbnail itself, it's about a hotel called Howard Johnson by Winhim, and it's in Bengaluru. And with high expectations we went over there, and we stayed there for last 1 week. And I'm going to tell you what we experienced, the plus and the minus. Okay, everything I'm going to share it with you, because next time if you are planning to go over there, please check the video and then decide whether you want to go there or not. Okay, so let's watch the video. So this is 7th floor corridor, and we got our room in the 7th floor. The corridor is well carpeted. And we reached our room. This is our room. We booked a king bedroom. So let me show you from the starting, from the entrance. So once you enter the room, on the left side you can see a holding area for your luggages. So I kept my bag there, and most of the hotels, they have some art in all the bedrooms. So here we also have one. And this is the coffee table. You get all tea and coffee sachets over there, and you can make hot water. You have a kettle also there. And next down to that there is a fridge, and there is mirror on both sides. So next on the right side, it's our restroom. All the toiletries will be provided, and also they have a hair dryer, and you will get towels, bath towels and hand towels also there. And this is the shower area, and as you see, this is transparent wall between the restroom and the bedroom. But don't worry, there is shades. You can pull it down and maintain your privacy. So that's about our restroom. See, we have a visitor. So we informed the housekeeping about this visitor, which is very unexpected, and so they are coming to pick this guy. So someone came. Okay, this is the security who is dropping all the luggages. So this room is a bit bigger, and they have a walk-in wardrobe where you can keep your clothes hanging, and they have a locker facility if you want to use it. And this is the ironing table with the iron box. You can make use of it. And just opposite to the bed we have the television, and another table with 2 landline phones if you want to call the friend desk, or outside calls also is allowed. And this is the view from the window, and there is a chair and footrest, and that's our bed. So this is about the bedroom, and as you see, there is shades in the bathroom. You can pull it down and get your privacy. So 6 days we had breakfast from there. It was when we booked the room, the breakfast was included. So I found all the dishes same every day, like they were repeating the same dishes. So I found it a little bit boring, I should say. So they have provided like coconut chutney and tomato chutney, then idli, vada, sambar. That was same every day, and then puri bhaji, again the same dish every day, and tea, coffee obviously they have provided, and they have provided some juice, fresh juice, either it will be like muskmelon or watermelon, and you get cornflakes, two type of cornflakes with hot milk or cold milk, you can have it, and there is a yogurt, plain yogurt and flavored yogurt, and also some cut fruits. So next we have like bread, white bread or brown bread, and you get peanut butter and all jam and butter over there, but they kept everything in the bowl except the butter, which I found it's not that hygienic. They have a toaster also, you can toast your bread over there, and there you get boiled eggs and poached either fish or chicken. So every day, either one day it will be poached chicken or next day poached fish, and then you get some upma or pulihara or lemon rice, and then definitely pancakes. Every day pancakes are there. So the dishes they change alternate days is the grilled potato. One day it will be like grilled tomato, and the other day maybe potato, and sauteed vegetables, and one day it's sauteed vegetables, and next day it will be like peas and corn, sauteed corn. So that was the only difference I found when we went for this breakfast menu. And aloo paratha, definitely they will have aloo paratha every day, either it will be aloo paratha or cauliflower paratha, something like that. So this was our breakfast menu all 6 days, which I found it's not like that interesting, but anyway we had our breakfast over there. And you can order omelette or dosha instantly. They will make it, and they will give you at the same time on your table. Even for lunch and dinner there was no much option, so we had to order Swiggy, and the only one thing is you have to go down and pick up the food, that's it. But we really enjoyed our lunch and dinner by ordering from Swiggy. And talking about amenities, they have a swimming pool, gym, and a spa on the 5th floor, but the swimming pool is not yet open. Spa is open, and gym also, the health club also, you can make use of it. So the only thing we can do in a walkable distance is the mall called Elements Mall, and they are sharing the same wall, so it is just next door. So we can do shopping over there, watch movie in PVR cinemas on the 4th floor, and there is a food court where you can order food, and instead of ordering Swiggy, you can go and have food over there. So all these opportunities are there when in this mall. And shops like Max, Trends, and Spar, all those shops are there where you can do your shopping. So again in the 4th floor there is a place called Fun City. For the kids, they can play over there, and a daycare facility where you can leave your kid and do your shopping. So this is the only thing I found interesting while we stayed in Hojo. So I found this Hojo hotel is good for business people, for their meetings, conferences and all. It is a good place. And about car parking, it is outdoor parking in open air. So on the 7th day when we took our car out, it was full of dust. So these are the pros and cons I found when I booked a Hojo hotel and when I stayed over there for 1 week. Hope this information will help you while you book your hotel. Thank you so much for watching.